Hello, my name is Justin Wright, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about balance. Now, in order to acquire balance, we're going to be following a specific program design. This program design involves a stabilization phase, a strength phase, and a power phase. Now, it's fairly crucial that we follow it in that order, as you need the previous one in order to move on to the next one. So we're just going to start off with our stabilization phase, and we're going to be doing 2 workouts for that. So the first workout's going to be just a simple single leg raise. We're going to start off with the head facing forward, back straight, scapula retracted, core and glutes activated, feet pointed forward, hands on the hips, and we're just going to be bringing one knee up to 90 degrees if we can, holding for a total of around 5 seconds, and down. We're going to be doing the same with the other leg, up 90 degrees, and down. Now, you're going to be holding each of these for 5 seconds, and we're going to be doing from 12 to 30 reps, as this is just the stabilization phase. So the next one I'm going to be doing is a single leg hip rotation. So sort of a similar thing, just as this is going to be a progression to the single leg raise. I'm going to be starting off in the same position, scapula retracted, core activated, and glutes, feet pointed forward, head straight. Going to be bringing that knee up to the outside, holding for approximately 4 seconds, back out, and back down. And we're going to be doing the same thing with the other side. I'm going to try and bring that up to 90 degrees if we can. Rotating out, hold, back, and down. Now for each of these phases, there's things we can do to progress and regress each of the workouts, or just the movements in general, including if we wanted to make a progression, we could close our eyes, but it all depends on your skill level and how far you progressed already. So next we're going to be moving on to the strength phase, and I'm going to be doing 2 workouts to demonstrate this. Now obviously the strength phase is going to be done in order to create more strength. So there's going to be a little more movement for this one. So what we're going to be doing first is a single leg squat. So again, going to be starting off in a similar position, scapula retracted, head forward, core and glutes activated, feet pointed forward, and then we're going to lift one leg, and we're just going to go down into a squat while keeping everything in a stable position. And we're going to be then switching to the other side, doing the same thing, trying to keep stable in one line of motion, down and back up. Now this will typically be done for 8 to 12 reps. So next, we're going to be doing a progression of the single leg squat. So we're going to be starting in the same position, and this is going to be a single leg squat touchdown. So we're going to be doing the same movement. Going to be starting off straight, head straight, scapula retracted, core and glutes activated, feet forward, bringing that leg up. This time we're going down, but the difference is that we're going to be bringing our opposite arm of that still leg, and we're going to be bringing it down to our toe. So down to the toe and up. And we'll do again for the other side. With that leg up, the opposite arm's going to come down to the toe and back up. And this is going to be building our strength so we can move on to the power phase. So now we're going to move on to the power phase, which is going to be a little more functional and a little more movement. And of course, as you go through each phase, it's going to get a little more difficult. This one, we're just going to be starting off with a multiplanar single leg hop. Going to be starting on one leg, and we're just going to be doing a simple hop to the other leg, and back to our starting leg. Now, in order to progress from this one, you can go to the side, the frontal plane, or you can even twist and back to the start. Now, again, you'd want to switch legs for this one, doing about, again, 10 reps per exercise. Then we are going to progress on to a single leg proprioceptive hop. Now for this one, typically you can imagine a line or you can create a line. I'm just going to be using this resistance band to create a line. You have your straight line. Again, for both of these, you want to start off in a neutral position, hands on the hips, head straight, shoulders retracted, back straight, hips are in a neutral position. You don't want to be ducking at all. Just want it nice and flat, toes pointed forward. We're going to start off on one side of the line. We're going to go up onto one foot, and we're just going to be hopping from one side to the other. You want to try and keep in a straight line. You don't want to hop all over the place. Just in one straight line, and then you can switch to the other foot. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.